Welcome to the exciting world of Forex trading. Ever wondered how money moves around the globe? You're about to find out. What is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the largest financial market in the world. It's where currencies are bought, sold, and traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Unlike stock markets, there's no central exchange. Instead, it's a global network of banks, businesses, and individual traders all connected by computers. Currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are always traded in pairs. For example, euro to US dollar represents the euro against the US dollar. The first currency in the pair is called the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. When you buy a currency pair, you're buying the base currency and selling the quote currency. Pips and lots. Forex traders measure price movements in pips. A pip is typically the fourth decimal place in a currency pair's price. Trades are made in standardized amounts called lots. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency. What moves the Forex market? Many factors influence currency values. Economic indicators, political events, interest rates, trade balances. Savvy traders stay informed about global events to predict currency movements. Types of Forex trading. There are several approaches to Forex trading. 1. Spot trading, buying or selling currencies for immediate delivery. 2. Futures, agreeing to buy or sell a set amount of currency at a future date. 3. Forwards, similar to futures, but customizable and not traded on an exchange. 4. The swaps, simultaneous spot and forward transactions. Risks and rewards. Forex trading can be highly profitable, but it also carries significant risks. The market's volatility can lead to quick gains or losses. It's crucial to understand the risks and never trade more than you can afford to lose. Getting started. Ready to dip your toes in? Here's how to get started. 1. Educate yourself about Forex markets. 2. Choose a reputable broker. 3. Open a demo account to practice. 4. Develop a trading strategy. 5. Start with small trades and learn from experience. And there you have it, your introduction to the fascinating world of Forex trading. Remember, successful trading takes time, patience, and continuous learning. Happy trading, and may the pips be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks.